goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while. Soon you'll get your happy smile. What? He gives a sticker, shiny star. A brave kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Splash, splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go, why go? Help, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. To send the scary pay. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Something strange is starting tight. Kitty egg is happy now. Beauty shark is happy now. Bubble princess, wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow.
So much fun. Woohoo!
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Calf. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay, farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy, she gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. Three. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Woo! Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. Low down dirt. No. All animals clap and cheer. Love a good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick. Owl torture Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus. Go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No. Five funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack. Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. Four funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. Three funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Gliss, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. Two funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. One funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go. Coco, riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show.